how to fix camera not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. You will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and system and click on reset option. After click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.